Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable MIUI ads and bloatware on your Xiaomi 17. To disable the ads, we're gonna have to go to settings and scroll down to fingerprints, face data and screen lock menu. Then go to privacy and then here find ad services and disable personalized ads in here. Then if you want to disable personalized ads by Google, you're gonna have to go to security and privacy menu. In here we're gonna have to go to more security and privacy, and here we'll also be able to not here but in advanced in privacy controls. In privacy controls we're gonna have to select ads and then reset privacy ID and confirm, and then delete advertising ID, and after that you're gonna have to restart your phone to apply changes. So just press power button and volume up keys at the same time and swipe the circle down to reboot your smartphone. And after the phone is restarted, if you want to uninstall bloatware from your device, you just have to go to settings, then open apps, and then select the pre-installed application on your smartphone and uninstall them one by one by tapping uninstall option at the bottom. And this way you can uninstall most of the applications that are pre-installed on your smartphone. So just like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.